In this short tutorial, you will learn how to add or remove the Wallet app from the Control Center on your iPhone running iOS 18. The Control Center is a handy feature that allows you quick access to important features and shortcuts on your device with just a swipe and tap. To get started, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to access the Control Center. Then tap on the plus button at the top left corner of the screen. And then tap where it says, Add a Control. What you want to do next is tap on the search bar at the top and type in Wallet. Tap Search. To add Wallet to the Control Center, simply select it. Now you've successfully added the Wallet app to the Control Center. If you want to remove the Wallet app from the Control Center, tap on the plus button at the top left corner. Then tap the minus button on the Wallet app icon. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.